Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can add location on Shopify's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To add location on Shopify's account, firstly go ahead and launch open your Shopify application. The home page of Shopify application will appear on the screen. Click on three lines at the bottom right corner of the page. From the pop-up, click on Settings option. You will end up on the settings page of your Shopify's account. Scroll down and tap on Locations. Now tap on plus icon at the top right corner of the page. Select your country or region, enter your address, apartment, suite, city, your postal code, phone number, zip code and tap on Save. This is how you can add location on your Shopify's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.